Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to stop Wi-Fi from turning on automatically on your Android phone. To fix this issue guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. First you need to open your phone settings. Okay, in the phone settings, tap on network and internet like this, and here tap on Wi-Fi option. In the Wi-Fi guys, you can get the one option Wi-Fi preferences. Just tap on it and here you can get the option turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Just you need to disable this option, that's it. Now after this guys, your Wi-Fi will not turn on automatically on your device. So this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.